Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to translate documents in Google Docs with any other language. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Docs. Here you can see I am on Google Docs. Okay, so you can open your existing Google Docs or you can upload from your computer. So for upload, you have to go in Google Drive. Go to the Google Drive, and okay, so I just go to the Google Drive to show you, to understand everyone. Okay, you can search the existing your Google Docs file in Google Drive, or you can search from here by name, or you can upload from here. Okay, click on upload, then upload the file, and you can upload from your computer, or you can search the Google Docs file like this. Okay, so all Google Docs file will be come here in your search bar. Now you can select the Google Docs file and open it, and you can translate. So let me show you that I already opened this Google Docs file, and you can see that the language is different, so I want to translate it to another language. So just click on tools option, and here you can see the translate. Okay, the option called translate documents. Click on it, then this pop-up window will be open. Now you can see the new documents will be created, and you have to give the name. Okay, so I just give the name of language, so I just give German. Okay, now choose the language. I just choose the language EFG German, and just click on translate. After you click on translate button, then new tab will be open and new file will be open. So it will be create the new file with your selected language. So you can see my new file has been created, and this file has been created with a new name, and the language has been translated. But you have to check the spelling and grammar here, because this translation not accurate for 100% accurate. You have to recheck your all contents. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.